Good morning, children. Lesson number 2, Food We Eat. What's your chapter name? Food We Eat. In this chapter, we are going to know about plant food, animal food, energy giving food, protective food, bodybuilding food, balanced diet. Tick the food items that you would like to eat for breakfast. Here, so much of food items given. Which breakfast you like, children? Milk, idli, biscuit, dosa, toast, poha, egg. Which one you like? You tick, children. I like dosa, so I will tick dosa. Which one you like? You tick, children. Okay. We need food to live. Yes, we need food to live, no, children. Food gives us energy to work and play. Yes, food gives us energy to work and play. Without food, the man cannot live. It helps us, it keeps us healthy and strong. Yes, if we have very good food means we will be very healthy and strong. It helps us to grow. It helps us to grow. It protects us from diseases. Yes, children, it helps us to grow and it protects us from diseases. If you eat lot of food, vegetables, everything means you won't get diseases. It will protect from us from diseases, children. Fruits, vegetables, nuts, everything will protect us from diseases. Yes. Yes, children. Sources of food, children. Our food comes from plants and animals. Yes, there is two sources of food, children. One is plants and plant food and animal food. First we can see plant food, children. Yes, plant food. We get cereals and pulses from plants. Cereals are grains such as rice. You have seen the rice. Yes, you know rice. Yes, no? Jowar, bajra, maize and wheat. We make paratha, bakri, rice, biryani, idli out of it. Yes, children, you have seen jowar. Jowar you have seen. This is jowar. This is bajra. Okay, children. See, look at here. It is jowar. This is jowar. This is bajra. See here, this is maize. This is wheat. From the wheat only we will get wheat flour to make chapati, children. This is wheat. Okay. Yes. So we make paratha. We make paratha, no, children? Yes, you know paratha? Yes, it is made by maida. Yes, paratha. Then bakri. What is bakri means? This is bakri. It is a type of roti. It is known as bakri. Rice, biryani. Yes, biryani also will make, no, children? Idli out of it. Pulses and dals such as tur, moong and masuri. We make dal sambar and curry out of it. Yes, mama will prepare sambar, no, children? For sambar, mama will put dals, no? Which dal? This type of tur dal. See, this is Mysore dal. This is Mysore dal. Like that, tur dal, moong dal and masuri. And we will make out curry also, curry out of it. We also get vegetables from plants. Yes, children, we will get vegetable from plants. No, yes. From the plants we will get vegetables. Radish and carrot. Radish and the carrots are the roots of the plants. Yes, children, radish and the carrots are the roots. It has roots. So under the ground only it will grow? Yes or no? It's a root. It's a root, children. Okay, sugarcane and potato are the stem of a plant. Sugarcane and potato are the stem of a plant. Spinach and cabbage. So, spinach and cabbage are the leaves of a plant. See children, spinach and cabbage. This is spinach. This is cabbage. Yes or no? Are the leaves of a plant. Yes. Cauliflower. Cauliflower, see here, cauliflower is there, no? Yes. Cauliflower is a flower of a plant. Is a flower of a plant. Brinjal and capsicum. Yes, brinjal and capsicum are the fruits of a plant. Peas are the seeds of a plant, children. This is peas. Is a seeds of a plant. We get fruit from plants. We eat them raw or make fruit juices, fruit salad, fruit flavored cakes and milkshakes. Yes, children. We get fruits from plants, no? Yes, we can eat them raw or make juice, fruit juice. Which juice you like, children? I like apple juice, children, like that. Which fruit make fruit juice like that? Fruit salads. Fruit salads means mix of all the fruits. Yes or no? Mix of all the fruits. Fruits flavored cakes. Yes, and milkshakes. Nuts also very nutritious. Yes, nuts also very nutritious. Which nuts, children? What is meant by nuts? Cashew nuts, peanuts, then badam, pista and all is there. No, these children, it gives lot of energy and very nutritious. We can eat them raw. Yes, we can eat them raw. It is also used to make flavored ice creams and sweets. Yes, this badam, cashew nuts, pista, this sandal is there. No, it is used to make ice cream and sweets. We will get oil from groundnuts and coconuts. We will get oil from groundnut and coconuts. Plants prepared and stored their own food. Food stored by them is used by all living things. Yes, plants prepare and store their own food, children. Food stored by them is used by all the living organism. This you will read in next class, children. In class 3 you will going to read detailedly about the plant food. Okay. Yes, children.